What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're on our way to Alex SVT's meet. So I'm gonna take my car. Hugo's here, he's gonna take his car. Patrick's all the way back there being a little ricer. Alex is right here with his little convertible. And of course I'm gonna take this side. So we're on our way to Shell. We're gonna put some gas and then we're gonna drive 30 minutes down to River Park. Damn.
Alex is gonna do it.
No, Alex, don't do it. We're at the gas station, bro, and we literally live like 2 minutes away. Why are you revving it?
I'm not.
Nice ass fuck. Alright, so we're gonna pump gas. Hopefully this fool doesn't do anything stupid because we literally live like right over there. Damn, dude. This is clean.
That's all it does. It was in the garage.
Damn. One thing. You had to do one thing.
It's been the.
We're getting scandalous on school.
Damn, are you trying to burn up? No, he's trying to do the swing. He's trying to.
Oh my god. Really, bro? Oh my god. You had to get out of here, Alex.
Damn, Brian already put 60 bucks.
When you get to the parking lots at the meet, do that real quick.
Do it before
we're
entering.
So you know we're here.
And you too, Patrick. Bah, you straight crash.
What the?
Over there.
This one?
Oh, it's over there. You have a good recording?
I thought my shit was loud. Hell no.
I don't give no fuck.
Alex, go for it. Look at Patrick, bro. I'm gonna tune it at the gas station. That's why I couldn't pop. I have it at 10 miles an hour. Then it pops.
Patrick's gonna let us. Hey, dude. I record my car.
Record your car, record your car.
I know, huh? I know my day. Look at this. GLI.
everything go first because it's all obviously Alex's SVT's like meat, right? So they're all just American muscle and shit. So let all the BMWs go in the back, but we're totally outnumbered on this meet. We have like legit like what, three Beamers and a German Jetta. So yeah, I was just trying to let them go first, that way we can get all the action. So if they race or do anything, we can get all the videos. But we got stuck literally behind one of those the tractors, the ones that like what is that, farmers use and shit. I don't even know what their name's at. Trailers. But anyways, we got stuck one of those, so we're literally all the way behind. There's a Camaro in front of us, then there's Hugo, then there's me, and then the rest of the guys are back there. But fuck, bro, we literally missed the rush because they're all over there like just, you know, like all going all fast and shit, and we're behind maybe like 6-7 different cars all the way in the back. We fucked up, bro. Fucked up. It's all good, but hey, I don't know if you guys can hear, but my valve is finally open. I was struggling to get it open literally all day ever since I like went home and turned it on and headed to the meet. It was like the valve kept closing on me and shit. So I don't know if you guys can hear me because I got my windows open and the wind is pretty hard out here. So I'm just gonna let you guys put you guys down. If we catch up to other guys, then I'll pick up the camera. If not, then I'm gonna see them at the next stop, which I'm guessing is pretty high up there because it's some kind of what is it, Frying Point or I don't know. It's somewhere up there. So look at this crazy view we got. That's sick. I've been on this road once, but I took down there, and then going down there, there's a couple hiking spots over there by the lake, but I've never been up to this spot, and it looks hella nice.
Dude, I forgot to call out of work, bro.
This thing's clean though, for sure.
Fuck, bro. It's all the flames, bro.
Sick car, bro.
Yeah.
You can back up a little bit more. Still have a little bit. A little bit more, that's it. I would leave it right there, honestly. Damn, where you at? Shoot some flames.
Sick ass fucking view. Right here. Top. Brian, you lost. Fuck. That's just fucking loud. Damn, Brian, you're just missing your flame tune, bro. Dang. But my ears are still ringing, bro. I think they're bleeding. No. Alright, so we're in the E9, not the E90, the Z4. We're about to go swing it. There's a little spot down there. Big enough for him to swing it because his car's small, so. Yeah, you should have enough space. Like up there, I told you have more space up there because this shit is like hella huge. Yeah, right there. Hold on. All right, you're good. Alright, you're good. Alright, was actually fucking clean, bro. That was clean. I gotta give you that.